If you've been waiting for the right time to move in the GTA, stop waiting. The spring market isn't just here, it's moving at an absolute sprint. We are seeing a massive shift this May, and the data is telling a very specific story. Right now, the market is moving fast. We're tracking over 200 sales every single day. That is massive velocity for Q2. We're looking at 18,000 total sales, which means 36,000 sides of business are moving through the city right now. In May alone, we're pacing for 7,000 homes sold. But here's the kicker. Even though sales are high, inventory is way down. We're sitting at 26,157 active listings. Now, that sounds like a lot, but it's actually about 4,000 homes fewer than we had at this time last year. The gap is widening and the selection for buyers is getting tighter by the day. I've been speaking directly with sellers across the GTA and the sentiment is clear. They're seeing the activity, but many are missing the golden window. If you want to capture your maximum sale price, you have a 6 week window starting right now. This is when competition is at its peak before the summer rhythm kicks in. If you're looking to sell, the next 6 weeks are your best bet to see those top tier numbers. If you're buying, you need to be ready to move because 200 other people are signing deals today. The clock is officially ticking. Reach out if you want to know what your specific neighborhood looks like.